Hello everyone, this is Barkat Khan, founder of Mr. Khan Digital, which is a top website development, digital marketing, and AI automation agency. So, here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can take a backup of your WordPress website. So, let's begin the video. So, first thing, what you need to do, you need to go to plugins, then go to add new plugins, then search for all in one WP. So, you can see this is the plugin by Serve Mask. You need to install it and activate it. Once you do that, your plugin will start showing here. So you need to come here and go to backups. Once you come to backups, you can click create backup. Now you can see there is a download button. Once you click that, your website will be downloaded here. And similar way, if you have to restore or import the website, you need to go to import. Click here, file, then you can select your file which you took it as a backup, and your website will be live. So thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.